own an Apple device, you should immediately turn off FaceTime application. FaceTime Bug can effectively turn your Apple device into a hot mix, allowing a caller to hear or even see you before you pick up the phone. It's a massive embarrassment, no matter which company was involved. It's an absolutely crazy security fail. A jaw-dropping unpatched privacy bug has been uncovered in Apple's popular video and audio call application FaceTime that could let someone hear or see you before you even pick up their call. The bug is going viral on Twitter and other social media platforms, with multiple users complaining of this privacy issue that can turn any iPhone into an eavesdropping device without the user's knowledge. The Hacker News has tested the bug on iPhone X, running the latest iOS, and can independently confirm that it works. Here is how one can reproduce the bug. Start a FaceTime video call with any iPhone contact, and while your call is dialing, swipe up from the bottom of your iPhone screen and tap Add Person. You can add your own phone number in the Add Person screen, and this will start a group FaceTime call including yourself and the person you first called, whose audio you will be able to listen in even if he or she hasn't accepted the call yet. It has more. It is also being reported that if the person you first called presses the volume down button or the power button to silence or dismiss the call, his or her iPhone camera will also turn on. This will broadcast the video from their iPhone, while their iPhone screen still displays the incoming call screen. So, turn off FaceTime on your iPhone and Mac too. When reached out to Apple, the company responded media by saying, "We are aware of this issue and we have identified a fix that this will be released in a software update later this week." Apple has also temporarily disabled the group calling feature within FaceTime while it works on a more permanent fix to address the bug this week. So, until the company releases a fix, users can also disable the FaceTime video calling feature on their iPhone, iPod, or Mac. To disable FaceTime on iPhone or iPad, just head down to Settings, scroll down to find FaceTime icon, and tap the toggle button to switch the feature off. On Mac, open FaceTime app on your Mac, click on FaceTime at the top left corner in the menu bar, and then click Turn off FaceTime.